What if the secret to Hedera's explosive potential isn't hidden in the charts, but in the global titans backing it? We're talking about a run to 30 cents. Welcome to the generational wealth community, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Many are wondering if a massive surge is truly possible or just more market noise. After all the recent turbulence, skepticism is healthy, but the foundational strength of Hedera tells a very different story. We are about to dissect the critical factors, the powerful adoption drivers, the truth in the on-chain data, and the single price barrier that could change everything for HBAR. So what is the real story behind Hedera? Why is the institutional money flowing with confidence, even while the price has been consolidating? It begins with who governs the network. This isn't a project run by anonymous figures. Hedera is governed by a council of global powerhouses like Google, IBM, Boeing, and Deutsche Telekom. These companies are not just passive supporters. They actively run the nodes that secure the network. This provides a level of institutional trust that is unparalleled in the crypto space. The future focus is on tokenizing real-world assets, or RWA. And this is where Hedera is truly beginning to excel. According to recent reports, Hedera leads all blockchains in development activity for real-world assets, surpassing competitors like Chainlink and Avalanche. High-profile projects, such as the tokenization of BlackRock's ICS U.S. Treasury Fund, are driving this momentum. These are not just theoretical applications. They're live use cases generating tangible demand for the network. While transaction volumes are still growing, this increasing utility points to a significant shift. For a long time, a gap has existed between Hedera's world-class partnerships and the on-chain activity that drives demand for the HBAR token. The market has been waiting for major headlines to translate into sustained transaction volume. It now appears that this moment is arriving. While the fundamentals are lining up, what do the technicals indicate for a path to 30 cents? Right now, in early February 2026, HBAR is trading around 9 cents. The broader market is showing signs of extreme fear, according to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a condition that often suggests the market is oversold and a bottom may be forming. The journey to 30 cents is not a direct line. The first major hurdle is breaking through the resistance zone between 13 and 15 cents. A decisive move past this area would signal a significant shift in market momentum, likely attracting a new wave of buyers. From there, the next major psychological target is 30 cents. Price predictions for 2026 are varied. Some analysts see HBAR consolidating, with more bullish forecasts projecting a push toward the 22 to 40 cent range, assuming the real-world use cases continue to expand. So, can HBAR truly reach 30 cents? Based on the current evidence, hitting the 30-cent mark appears to be a distinct possibility. However, the timeline is critical. This target seems more probable for sometime in 2027, provided the current trajectory of adoption and on-chain activity continues. More bullish forecasts for 2026 see a potential range between approximately 21 and 34 cents. The fundamentals are exceptionally strong. The Governance Council offers a level of trust that is unique in the crypto landscape. The tokenization of real-world assets is no longer a distant concept. It's happening now with major institutions. The primary catalyst will be when this utility translates into massive, sustained on-chain demand. As billions of dollars in tokenized assets begin to move across the network, the demand for HBAR to facilitate those transactions will naturally rise. It is becoming less a question of if and more a question of when. The long-standing disconnect between Hedera's premier partnerships and its token price appears to be closing. The fundamental drivers are gaining momentum. On-chain metrics are starting to reflect this growth. The technicals may be preparing the ground for a significant market revaluation. A surge to 30 cents isn't just hype. It's a question of the market finally recognizing the utility that has been under construction for years. Subscribe for daily recaps, drop a comment on your biggest takeaway, and turn on notifications. We do a crypto news video every morning and a deep dive every afternoon. Let us know in the comments any subjects you'd like us to cover. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.